population is aging. We are having a birthday every year, whether we like it or not. And with that comes the signs of aging in the skin. There's the aging that you get just because of the genetics that you've gotten from your parents. And there's also the aging from sun exposure and exposure to just elements in the environment. So not only do we offer the advanced skincare products, but simple things like chemical peels. Peels are a procedure where an acid is put on the skin to take away the top layer of skin. And by doing that, the skin looks more youthful, it looks more refreshed. Very simple laser surgeries can be done. There's been a lot of changes in laser technology recently with lasers that rejuvenate the skin but don't give very much downtime. And they can really make you look refreshed, just like you, only better. And then of course there are fillers, which are very popular. Fillers are substances that are injected underneath the skin to plump up wrinkles and restore the fullness in the face that's lost with natural aging. Fillers are temporary, but with the newer medicines that we have to inject in the skin, they can last anywhere from 6 to 9 months, and in some areas maybe even a year. And then of course there's always the neurotoxins, or what's more commonly known as Botox or botulinum toxin. That's what's injected into the muscles to relax and weaken the muscles that are in the face and in the neck, and botulinum toxin is also used for other medical indications. There's a condition called blepharospasm where it's almost uncontrolled blinking and moving of the upper facial muscles around the eyes that Botox works for. Botox is temporary, lasts about 3 or 4 months, and so it's something that is repeated periodically to keep up those results. We also offer laser hair removal for people who have unwanted body hair. So essentially any place on the body can be treated. We do have lasers now that can treat dark hair on all skin types, so from very, very fair skin to very dark skin. Laser hair removal isn't permanent. What we're trying to do is reduce the amount of hair that you have and also increase or significantly slow the amount of time that it takes the hair to regrow. There are also lasers that we can use to decrease redness in the skin, whether it's those fine, tiny blood vessels that you get from time or sun exposure, or have inherited a tendency to get those, the red blood vessels that you see over the face from rosacea, or even birthmarks. And again, after a series of treatments, red blood vessels can be made smaller in size, less in number. It can almost appear as if nothing was there, and we can do those treatments and not have scars left behind, and that's just a wonderful advance that we have with our laser technology.